We are going to see exercise 6.3, sixth question. Here in this question itself they have given the figure. In that figure the side QR of triangle PQR is produced to a point S. So this produced to a point S. If the bisectors of angle PQR and angle PRS meet at the point T. So here this is the bisector and this is the bisector, both meet at the point T. We have to prove that angle QTR equal to 1 by 2 angle PQR. So first of all, what is given in the question? Given QR of triangle PQR is produced to a point S and bisectors of angle PQR and angle PRS meet at the point T. So here we have to prove angle QTR equal to half of angle QPR. See here, TQ and TR are bisectors of angle PQR and PRS they have given. So bisectors means, angle bisectors means it divides that angle into two equal parts. So PQT and angle TQR both are equal. Like that, angle PRT and angle TRS, these two are equal. This is given in the question itself. Now we are going to use one result. Already we know one result. Exterior angle of a triangle is equal to sum of its interior opposite angles. So here angle TRS is an exterior angle of the triangle TQR. See the diagram. See here the angle TRS. TRS means this angle only. This is the exterior angle of the triangle TQR. So this is TQR triangle. So this is outside of this triangle, that is exterior angle. So this exterior angle is equal to sum of its interior opposite angles. The sum of its interior opposite angle is angle TQR and angle QTR. If you add these two angles, you get TRS. Now from this angle QTR, take this to that right hand side. So it become minus. Like that, in triangle PQR, angle PRS is an exterior angle. So like the last thing is an exterior angle of triangle PQR. So like the last result, exterior angle equal to sum of interior angle, opposite interior angles. So angle PQR plus QPR. So from this angle QPR equal to angle PRS, take that to the right hand side. So it becomes minus. So minus PQR. So now angle QPR equal to this PRS. This PRS and PQR. PRS and PQR. This PRS is from the first equation. See here, this, from this we can say this PRS is 2 times angle TRS, because angle bisector, no? So 2 times. This is also 2 times angle TQR. So angle PQPR equal to 2, you can take it outside. So angle TRS minus angle TQR. So which implies angle QPR equal to this TRS minus TQR. TRS minus TQR is nothing but angle QTR. If you see the diagram, you can get. So, angle QTR, this 2 goes to this side, it becomes 1 by 2 angle QPR. So, hence proved.